Hi everyone, it's me Hunty and welcome to today's video. Today I will be showing you how I got this little eyeshadow look. It's a very simple smoky look, and to get this look I used the new Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a very versatile palette and it's so cute. I also will be announcing the winner of my Tati Beauty giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of this video for that. Alright, so let's get into it. Okay, so I did one eye and my skin off camera, so let's go ahead and get started. I love this palette. Yeah. My favorite shade in this palette has to be Barb for sure. It's such a gorgeous monochromatic pink. So to start off, I dipped into Wasted, OG, and New Yorker. Okay, and now that I have a cute little base color down, I'm going to take the other side of the brush that it comes with, and I'm going to dip into 1988. And I'm just going to build that up on the outer corner. I'm also going to take that and run it under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Wasted, and I'm going to just blend out the edges. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean off my brush a little bit. Next, I'm dipping into the shade Dragon, and I'm just going to apply that on my lid. This shade is very pigmented. This is how it looks dry. So now that I went in with the brush, I'm going to go in with my finger just to build the intensity of the pigmentation. Something I also did on this eye was I got a little bit of Anastasia and I put that on top of Dragon. So this palette has a little bit of fallout, but I'm just going to dust that right off. Cleaning off my brush again, so I can dip into the shade You Go, which is the darker shade here on the end. And I'm just gonna pop that right on the outer corner. Blend it in. Like I said, this is just a very simple, basic look that I'm doing. It's been a while since I've done a smoky eye, so I really love the way that it looks. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have finished my lashes off camera. Today I am wearing the Baddie B in the style IG. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of struggling to put these eyelashes on because it's been a good 6 months, I think, since I've worn falsies. So I really had to focus when I was putting these on, but I think they look so dramatic and so cute, and they kind of vamp up this look. So now it's time for me to announce the giveaway winner. And before I announce the winner, I just wanted to thank everyone that entered the giveaway. You have really inspired me to be more present on this platform. And I just thank you so much for all the support and all of the people who entered. Thank you so much. I love you. So the winner is right here. I will be putting the name on the screen, so check your DMs if you haven't already. If you didn't win, don't worry, because I will be having more giveaways. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on all my social media platforms, and thank you everybody for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.